Meaning of dunderhead.
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 Dunderhead. Dunderhead is an insulting term used to refer to a person who is foolish, stupid, or slow-witted. It is often used in a light-hearted or humorous way, but can also be considered offensive if directed at someone directly. The word dunder may have originated as a misspelling of thunder and was used to describe the sound of low-quality gunpowder. Over time, dunderhead evolved to mean a person who is dull-witted or lacking in intelligence. Overall, it is not a flattering term and should be used with caution.